Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and stocks closed higher on Friday to end the day with what was a record week for stocks, specifically the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. And as we're taking a look at a weekly chart of the S&P 500, you can see it closed at 3,397.16, a new record closing high, as it had actually reached a new all-time high of 3,399.96 earlier in the week, which of course pushed the chart analysis score to plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend. Key level to watch moving forward for the S&P 500 will be 3,284.53. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Take a look at the US dollar, having its first positive week in quite a long time, ending up about 0.1%, trading at 93.20. However, chart analysis score remains negative 65, with a red monthly and a red weekly trade triangle indicating that we are in a long-term downtrend for the US dollar. Key level to watch would be 93.99. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones, not so lucky like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. However, chart analysis score remains plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Ended the week completely flat, no gains, no losses, trading at 27,930.33. Key level to watch would be 26,534.38. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. Nasdaq also gaining a record high this week, climbed about 0.4% on Friday to close at 11,311.80, a record close, with the chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the Nasdaq. Key level to watch for the Nasdaq will be 10,762.71. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Gold still continuing to be under a bit of selling pressure as the stock market is making record highs. Ended the week trading at 1,947.70, down about 0.2% on the week. Chart analysis score remains plus 65 with a green monthly and a green weekly trade triangle in play. However, we do have a red daily trade triangle indicating for the short-term time frame we are in a sidelines position for gold. Key level to watch would be 1,963.10. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position in the short-term time frame for gold. Moving to crude oil, we've moved to the October contract for crude futures. Closed at 42.28 on the week, losing about 0.5%. Chart analysis score remains plus 85, indicating that we're still in a long-term uptrend, kind of trapped between that $40 and $42 range right now, with a red daily trade triangle indicating that we're in a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 42.98. Move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term long position for crude oil. As we do, we'll wrap it up with Bitcoin. Currently trading, as I'm doing this on a Saturday, up about 0.9% with a chart analysis score. But for the overall for the week, it's down about 2.7% with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we're leaning more towards a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Key level to watch would be 10,559.59. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, enjoy your weekend, and we'll be back next week with a market update.